Hi guys, welcome to another video from Belly Dance with Tahira series. Today we are still on the topic of walking, but this time we will walk with a pelvic drop. And in fact, we are not so about accents today. We will be focused on the movement itself, not the strong accent, so not the drop itself. However, if you want to brush up on this movement or you don't know how it looks like, go to this link above and you will have all the answers in this video. And now we will start with a little exercise. We are in our basic belly dance position, so feet parallel, knees slightly bent, pelvis tucked in, long belly, opened chest, long neck, and we will now move from side to side, changing the body weight from right to left. So right and left and right and left, and during this change we will do the pelvic drop all the time. So I've got drop, 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 delicate movement without a big accent, and now I'm changing the body weight to the right and to the left. All the time I'm doing drop. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. As you see, the pelvic drop is kind of an independent movement when it comes to our legs, our feet, because it doesn't rely on where my body weight is. So in fact, I can do as many pelvic drops as I want during walking. So there is no stiff rules like one step, half of the movement, or one step, one movement. I can do as many pelvic drops as I want, as I've already said. But we will start with a basic count, let's say. So we will take one pelvic drop for one step. So step and drop, step and drop, step and drop, step and drop. And we're going to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the right on a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, and change. 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 And exactly the same I can do to the back and to the front. One step, one pelvic drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you see, no matter where I'm going or how my body weight is, is it on the right or is it on the left, you can do the pelvic drop really independently, let's say. And now let's try to do 2 pelvic drops on one step. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And once again, I'm going to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and change. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. To the left. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So if you want to try, you can do more pelvic drops during one step, and you will see that it is also possible without bigger problems. And this is how you walk with a pelvic drop. So if you like this episode and you've managed to walk with a pelvic drop, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below so you won't miss new episodes from this and other series on my YouTube channel. And if you have any more questions or doubts, leave a comment below and I will answer. And if you are interested in more advanced tutorials, combos and choreographies, feel free to check out my UDance online profile, where I will be posting in time more and more English tutorials. And if you are interested in culture, history, language, styles, psychology, marketing, all Oriental dance related, check out my Tahira Belly Dance Diary series on this YouTube channel. And I encourage you also to follow my social media accounts, my Instagram and Facebook account, where I post a lot of things connected with my daily Oriental dance life. And let's meet here next week for the new episode of Belly Dance with Tahira. Thank you very much for your time and see you soon. Bye!